Student, welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. See, today also I am audible, not visual, because today we will start our next chapter, that is enhancing a presentation, which is related to PowerPoint. Okay, now it is not possible for camera also, because the things which I want to show you of slides, with that, if camera is also on, so it can't be possible to show you everything correctly. Okay, so that's why today's video is only audible. So what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is the most popular presentation software used to create presentation. Why PowerPoint we are using? We are using PowerPoint for to create presentation. Okay, to create presentation we are using PowerPoint. So you have to now concentrate and see what I am doing and what I am explaining to you. Okay, good. So now slide background. We have to start with the slide background, how the slides backgrounds are there and what we have to do. So slide means one by one you will get slides. Slides means one picture type is there. One minute. So slide means one by one you will get a photo frame type, and that frame is known as a slide, and you have to decorate that slide. You have to use whatever the things you want to show in that slide, you have to use it. Okay, so now we will see what is slide background. When we create a new presentation, a slide appears a white background. See, when we will start with a new presentation, it is new. That's why the background is white fully. We have not decorated, we have not used color, or we have not used any type of theme. So that's why the slide background is white. A theme is a set of background designs, font style, and layout for the slide. Theme means, what is theme? Background design. So many types of designs are present in PowerPoint. So from out of that, anything, if you want to use it, you can use it, and they have different type of font styles, layouts, and everything. Okay, so that all those things we will see in our one by one next slide. Okay, this is also a presentation. What I am teaching you is I'm teaching you in a type of presentation only. So this type of presentation you have to make in our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so now see, this is your PowerPoint presentation. This is your first slide. This is your PowerPoint. See, first of all, this is your slide. This whole thing is your slide. Okay, see here, this is only, I have taken one slide, that's why only one slide we can see here. These are the menus: home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. All these are the menu. Got it? See everything properly. If anybody of you don't have the PowerPoint at your home, don't have computer at your home, so you can see all these things here. So see, all these are the menu. Okay, this is your file. When you will click here, save option you will get, that is one more. I will show you everything, and save option have time, but I am only showing you. Okay, again, these all are the menus, and they have their sub menus. Like, if home is here, see, home is clicked here. When you click home, all these things which you can see here, all these things, they are the part sub menus of home. Okay, like this, all these are the menus, and their sub menus are different types. Got it? Good. And this is your first slide, that click to add title and click to add subtitle. This is your first slide. Understood? Slides. Now next, see, when I click here on design, we have to see slide background. So see, design, I click here on design. design menu. When I click here on design menu, see all these things appears when I click on the design menu. Okay, so here all these things which we can see here, all these are the themes. Now we will see how to use these themes and what to do with these themes. Okay, see different types of colors, colorful themes and designs are present here. You have to use these themes and design for your slide to make it more decorative, more attractive for the presentation. It is very important for a presentation that it must be very decorative and somewhat attractive. Then only the person who is watching your presentation can see it properly. Okay, see. Now next, when I see all these are the design, when I click on the themes, these things appear here. All these themes appear. Okay, whichever the theme you like it, you can click on that theme and the theme will be your slide background. Understood? Theme means it is only a design, so theme is your themes become your slide background. So now see, I selected this theme, this purple theme. So when I click on that theme, it was created like this, means my slide become colorful, which I click, that which I choose, that only came here. Okay, now next, see, now my slide become colorful, which color, which theme which I have used here, that only came. Understood? This is your slide background. Now what today we have learned? We have learned about slide background, how to make a slide background. Okay, one sec. Now whatever the things you want to write, see, you will get different types of slides option. Okay, you will get option which type of slide you want. You want blank slide, you will get blank slide. If you want different type of slides, are options are there. The slide which you need, that you can use it. Okay, only title with subtitles, with pictures, without picture. For picture you have to click other way. Okay, this type, different types of things are there. So whatever things you want to choose, you can choose it. It's your choice, and so many choices are there for you. So you have to go here on home. There you will get home slide, new slide. Once I will show you, 1 minute. See here, new slide. Here when you will click on new slide, you will get different options of new slide. Okay, so that you have to use. Now we are in design. For themes, you have to go in design menu. Then you will get like this, from the theme, whichever the theme you want to choose it, and here here your theme is selected and your slide is ready with that theme. Okay, now every slide will be of that color only. Okay, now see, next, I have written something here in that slide. Okay, I have written something here in that slide, and you can also write anything in that slide. Understood what I said? If you want to write anything, if you want not, if your presentation is there, you have to write something. That's why I have written here something. Now see, this type of slide background will be there. Now what we have learned about slide background. This is only background we set. How to set the background, I told you. Go in design, you will get themes, and from themes, this is your first topic, that slide background. Now next we will see what is the next thing. Next is your change the slide background. Now what to do about the changing, how to change the slide background. So steps are there. Select the slide, whichever the slide you want to change the background, select it. Only click on that slide, it will be selected. Then click on design and click on format background. Okay, I will show you where is format background. Let's see. Click on the slide, select the slide, click on the design and format background. See, design, this is design. In design, here is the format background. Understood? design and these are the themes. Here is the format background. So on that format background you have to click. Understood? Okay, when you will click on the format background, what will happen? All these things appear here. When you click on the format background, this format background consists of all these things. You can change it by using this. Okay, now we will see one by one how to change it. First is your solid color. Solid color means whatever the color you want to change, background color, you can change it by using this. See, solid color is selected and this type of, you will see, you will get this. Apply to all, it will be set. See, I selected this color, and my background color is changed, solid color. Understood? Once you will do all these things, then it is possible for you to make all these things properly. Next we will see gradient color. Gradient color means, see here, you will get here gradient stops. Okay, whatever the color is there, you can change it here. This scroll, these things are there. You can scroll here and there and you can see the changes in your slide. Before that only you have to select the slide, means click on it. See, this is your selection point, this is your selection point. It shows that it is selected. So click on it, then here you have to go here, scroll here and there, the color will change with that only. Okay, next is your picture or texture. So for picture and texture, I click on picture and texture, then this type of dialog box will appear. In that dialog box, but if any picture is present with you and if you want to keep that picture in your slide, you can use it. See here, download name is there, that picture I have selected. When I select it, then see this type of, I already in my laptop already one this type of picture is present. When I select it, the picture changes, the theme changes to this picture. Understood? So now pattern fill, picture or texture, see, all apply to all, it appeared like this now when I click it. Understood? For that you need, before only you need picture or any picture in your slide, that whichever you want to keep, any picture you can keep it, only it must be saved in your laptop or computer. Now pattern fill, pattern means these are the different types of patterns present in your PowerPoint, so you have to use these patterns. Okay, you have to use these patterns. When I select any pattern from this, I selected this, and see now all these things pattern changes. Okay, these are all things we have seen today. Format background, in your format background different types of menus are there. In that you have to click one by one on this, see the video one by one properly, and then do it in your laptop or computer wherever it is present. Okay, I hope you understood everything properly, and please do it properly. I explained you every step with the PowerPoint slide and PowerPoint page is there, so I don't think so any confusion must be there. I am showing you everything very step by step, and we are going very slowly so that you can understood everything. Okay, today's video is only audible because I have to show all these things very properly. See, if the camera will be here, I can't move here and there. Now this is very easy for you to see each and everything correctly like a computer. Okay, if I am teaching you on computer also, then it is very much practicable for you. Like this only I will teach you. Okay, so I hope you understood everything. Do it properly. Thank you so much for listening everything. Okay, good day.